Hello and welcome to Granthams. My name's Paul, I'm part of the sales team. You can contact us on 01476 560 599 and I'm going to give you a walk around video tour now of the new Swift Siena 4SB 2023. The Siena range is exclusive to Granthams and part of the differentiating exterior design features the enhanced decals and the Siena logo, which is gel coated. Also, we've got the silver individual cut lettering on the front window. Swift have introduced this really nice contrasting matte black gas locker. And as it's a special edition Caravan, you'd expect it to be packed with additional features, including the Alco ATC, which is standard. Moving around to the near side, we've got the exterior barbecue point, a side access locker to your underneath front seating, 230-volt socket. Habitation door features a window and has a kitchen bin on the inside. Also featured are rain guards or mud flaps. This is a transverse island bed layout, so the additional hatch at the rear is for easy access to the underneath of the bed. Moving around to the rear of the Caravan, we've got the two-lay bike rack bars. They're standard, so you can fix a bike rack with a capacity of up to 50 kg in weight. Also, just to point out at this point, the van benefits from the smart construction, which basically translates into a timberless Caravan frame, making the Caravan lighter and also moisture resistant. So slipping in the van, the first thing I'll point out is the exclusive upholstery scheme, which has been really popular for us, and I think contrasts well with the sort of slate grey finish of the centre chest and the other work surfaces in the van. Underneath the pelmet, you've got LED lights and USB charging points. Front binnacle features additional USB charging point and electric socket. 4 blanking plates there. Should you wish to add additional sockets, they can be easily accommodated. Van comes as standard with a passive infrared alarm for movement inside the Caravan. Horrocks 4-sided pleated blinds. They're engineered to block out more light. Also, for 2023, Swift have changed or lightened the wood grain effect, so I think they've given it a more modern and stylish feel. Above the habitation door, we've got the user-friendly control panel, and next to that is the Truma blown air heating panel. The kitchen features a flatbed microwave, new for 2023. Thetford 3-gas ring combination oven and grill, and Dometic under-counter fridge freezer. Stainless steel sink, which also will feature a bowl. And then walking through into the bedroom area, we've got the transverse island bed, which has a day and night mode, so we can pull that out to extend the length at night. And then for ease of access around the bed, we can push it back in the day. Walking through into the shower or the bathroom and separate shower, which has bifold doors. The actual shower itself, I can't really show you that, but it has an eco-friendly shower head, which will help give economy in terms of water usage. Nice padded detail as well in the bedroom area, just follows through the design from the front of the Caravan. We've got in here your directional TV aerial, your solar panel regulator. There is a 100-watt solar panel roof mounted, and that's where you store your freestanding table. I hope that's been of interest, and it is a very popular layout. So if you do want more information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01476 560 599. Alternative, go on the website. But if you do need to book an appointment, give us a call first. Thank you very much.